Hi, and welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi, and I'm your host, and today is the first Mystery Box Monday of the year. So I really hope that you guys had a wonderful new year, and we are starting off this year with a Mystery Box Monday. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, I do a Mystery Box Monday every Monday. It's when I get a mystery box of yarn. Usually they're from the same kinds of company, but I also like to support small businesses, so I do that as well. And I do an unboxing of whatever that yarn is every Monday. All right. And it's one of my favorite days. So, you'll have a lot to look forward to. So, one of the things that I do on Mystery Box Monday is usually I'm sitting in my chair, but this time, since we are doing some hand-dyed yarn, I'm going to go ahead and open it here on the table where we have really, really good lighting so you can see this. Okay, so this is from Wild Poppy Yarns. They are a company that has an Etsy shop, and I will definitely put a link to their Etsy shop in the description. I found them on Etsy, and I was totally wowed, not only by just the sheer amount, the volume of hand-dyed yarn that they had in their shop, but also with the prices. And I thought that their mystery yarn boxes would be really, really cool. So the first thing I want to say about this company is that I really love their custom boxes. This came to me pre-packaged in this beautiful box, and I got 2 of these. They were $35 each. And, so I got 2 boxes, and I really love these. I like to reuse boxes like this too, just for, I'm sure you guys understand, with all of the things that I collect, for my stash. Of course, I need more boxes and more ways to organize. So I always like having, things like this here. So it folds up and it has happy inside. I mean, this is a nice box. Now, I do want to say that I peeked a little bit in here, so it might not have been presented exactly like this. It came with a sticker that says, "Thank you." I think that's so cute. And that will be going in my crochet bullet journal. So she wrapped this in yellow. I did tell her, don't be afraid to give me yellow yarn, because I know that, for me, when I'm doing my own mystery boxes, I'm a little afraid to give people too much yellow because I know that it's not the most popular color. But I told her not to be afraid about that because I absolutely love the color yellow. So she says, "Thank you for your business." And they do have a .com. It's wildpoppyyarns.com. She also has a Patreon and an Instagram and a Twitter. And she also left her email address. She also gave me a promo code for 15% off my next purchase, which is awesome. So not only do they have an Etsy shop, but apparently they also have a .com. So I'll be probably more likely to order from their .com from now on. But I'll go ahead and put both the Etsy shop and the .com in my description. So that said, let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Just got to thank you. Here. Let's see. It's another. Ooh, look at this. It's called Evergreen. It's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. Let me go ahead and zoom in here so you guys can see this better. There we go. So, like I said, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. It's a 100-gram hank, 437 yards. It's a 4-ply fingering or sock weight. And the care is on the reverse of this this label. So that is cool. So I totally want to open this up so you guys can see. Do you want me to do that? All right, let me zoom out a little bit. I am going to open this part too, because each one of her mystery boxes comes with a skein and then some mini hanks, some mini skeins. And if you're ever interested in what to do with mini skeins, they can be, oh, this is so pretty. I'm sorry. I just interrupted myself and I'm not sorry. So here are the mini skeins. They all go together in a really beautiful way. Please don't mind my cat. He just loves to be on YouTube and he's jealous. So these, mini skeins are the same stats as this: 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and they're 20-gram mini skeins, and there's 87 yards each. And again, 4-ply fingering, sock weight, care on reverse. So going back to what I was saying about this, you can use the mini skeins for like the toe and the heel, for example, if you want to do that. If you're making socks, there's just all sorts of different things. And these pair together really well. I mean, even this red pink yarn does. So let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can admire the mini skeins that I got with this one. Again, I have another box. Okay, and we are going to take out, I want to take out this one that's more kind of like marled or speckled. I want to see what it looks like out. Oh, wow. Isn't that pretty? Wow. That is so pretty. I love that. And then I want to see, I think that this green one is probably going to be more of a tonal pastel. Absolutely. I was right. Very, very pretty. And then I'm going to just move out just a little bit because I want to open up this hank right here. So, trying to not break it because, yeah, there we go. Oh, goodness. It's so soft, too. Oh, my goodness, it's soft. So, so soft. So here is the hank. So we've got, half of the hank is this, solid tonal, almost like an emerald color. A little bit like, I would call it emerald / forest green. And then here we have the speckled part of the yarn. So of course this would make, really nice rows. As you're working it up, it would make nice rows, especially if you're knitting socks, as you know, that's like all I can think about when I'm looking at these yarns. So this was my first box. Okay. But now we are going to be opening the second box because I told you I have 2 boxes here to open. So here we are again, same presentation, beautiful. She didn't have to do that when she, shipped my yarn, obviously. She could have just shipped it all together. But that I got 2 separate boxes is nice because, you know, it looks nice and everything. I just know if, you know, as a small shop myself, on Etsy, I can't afford bling like this. At least not yet. Maybe eventually I'll be able to. Again, it comes with the thank you sticker, which is so cute. And I have the same thing. And again, it has the happy inside. And I love it. I'm going to definitely use these for storage, probably for stitch markers or something like that. So let's open this one. We, get the same 15% off with the promo code and then all of the info, which is great. And the business card too. And the thank you sticker here. So let's see what else we got. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Wow. This is so pretty to me. Let me zoom in so you guys can see how, like, oh, isn't that the most beautiful blue? Wow. I would call this sky blue. Oh, wow. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of my dad's eyes. His eye color was very close to this. It could be dark, depending on what he was wearing, to this light blue. And his eyes are so special. He passed away in 2015. And just anything that reminds me of him is always so special to me. So I love this. Oh, I love that color. So beautiful. Alrighty. So let's open the mini skeins now. Oh, gorgeous. Look at these. They're all like frosty. We've got these like really frosty colors. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Seriously, I love the other one, but this, I could not be happier with this if I tried. And something that's really cool is that all three of these match really well. I would have been fine if I got this one, this one, this one, or this one, or this one as the contrast color, you know, or the main skein, you know, but I love that I got the blue. This is gorgeous, you guys. Wow. So, I'm going to unhank this little mini skein and see what the color tones look like. This is something that I think is really awesome about getting hand-dyed yarn, is that you can see the variation in the colors. You just don't get this kind of effect when you're buying yarn from like a commercially dyed yarn, because it doesn't have, I suppose, these imperfections, but then it loses that softness that the quote-unquote imperfections create, if that makes sense. Oh, and again, it is very, very soft. Whatever base you use for this, I am going to be basically looking up. I'll probably just ask her if she'll be kind enough to tell me, because, ooh, I want to work with this base. And I could not be happier with this colorway. It is gorgeous. And again, it's just this tonal. Just a very beautiful tonal here. Oh, wow. So let me zoom out a little bit here so you can see. So yeah, you can see places where it's darker and lighter, and that is obviously something she did on purpose. And I think the effect is gorgeous. I absolutely do. And even here where it's even lighter, you can still see, you can still see the pastel blue, and over here you can see the darker blue, and it's just, oh, it just looks so exquisite to me. I am really seriously impressed with this, and I will probably be ordering from Wild Poppy Yarns again, maybe around the springtime, and see what we get then. So this is my unboxing for the first Monday of the new year. I hope to enjoy a wonderful 2023 with you guys. Remember to like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more unboxings. And I just want to remind guys that I have put up a new giveaway, and you should be able to find that on my channel, and make sure that you enter to win that giveaway. I've got a lot of really cool stuff in it. All right, guys, I'll see you soon in another video. Bye for now.